Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your wallet address on Polka Wallet. Keep watching the video till the end. To find your wallet address on Polka Wallet, firstly go ahead and launch open your Polka Wallet application. The home page of Polka Wallet application will appear on the screen. From the home page, tap on Settings option at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here you can see the wallet address right below the profile name. You can also scan the wallet address as well if you want to. This is how you can find wallet address on Polka Wallet quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.